First of all, I look like Cynthia. Do y'all see?
Braids was on the train. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'm back in the place of grace, my bathroom. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through and attempt to plait my hair with the rubber bands because my hair is still way too short. I'm gonna use some edge effect, edge control to kind of help me with the assisting of the hold. So I'm gonna do probably one on camera and see how it works, and then I'll come back to the camera when my entire head is completely plaited. So what I'm gonna do first is like slightly comb my hair out, and then I want to attempt big ones. So I know my hair is not that long. So as I'm parting, what I'm gonna do is take some of the edge control. See, it'll like allow me to see. And then I want to part this. And I'm sure my parts are not going to be super neat because my hair is super short. I just want something different for a few days. I'm probably not going to even keep this up long. So trusty small tiny baby brush here, but that'll help me to be able to grasp hold of the hairs that I'm actually trying to place into the rubber band. So as I have that brush, I'll take my rubber band here, and what I want to do is grab that. It's so little, you guys, like a ball head. I'm probably gonna do it about 4 times. I don't want the rubber band to like completely pull my hair out. Okay, so let's see. That's how one looks. It's terrible, I know, but okay. I'm gonna come back when my whole head is like this. Hopefully, I can come back. So. Okay, y'all, so first of all, I look like Cynthia. Do y'all see? Y'all see this? Okay, my parts are not even because my hair is simply just way too short. I'm gonna turn around. I did not do the nape of my neck because it's way too short and I don't want to lose the little hair that I have. So I'm gonna do it like a small little turn around. I know that looks probably terrible back there. Woo! Child, I look like Cynthia. Y'all know Angelica. Is that her name? Angelica from Rugrats. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to insert a picture. Because I completely look like that right now. Okay, so I got my plaits done. Moving right along. Okay, so the hair that I'm gonna use is the Freetress 3 times braid in 301. It comes with 3. Obviously, I already took the first one out. And it's about 28 inches long. This is the whitest white that they had when I went to the beauty supply store. So now we're gonna attempt to braid. I want bigger braids, so let's see how that works. Let's see, I may have to try to start it off with a small piece of hair, a small piece of braiding hair, and then add more to the hair. If you guys understand what I mean. If not, I'm about to show you what I mean right now. So I like to divide, and I'm not a professional braider or anything. This is just how I usually braid my hair. This is a bandana I have on that I have made into a halter top. It's literally just tied at the back and it's uneven. Don't judge me, because that's my business, y'all. That's my business. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to grab the hair. Yep, hold on. Do. 45, 46. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a doozy. It's gonna be a task. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these 3 strands of hair like that. Should just kind of start it off, if you will. I've already lost my rubber band, you guys. This is not cool. This is not cool. This is not cool. Okay, I just wanted to start it off. I actually was able to grab it though. Give me some knotless braids, honey. Hopefully the rest of them don't do that. Okay, so I braided it like 3 times. So now I want to grab some more hair, however. Hopefully this works. Let's see. This hair looks yellow, but we're gonna use it. We are going to use it. So far, you guys, I'm getting somewhere. So we might have some action here. We might have some action here. These braids are not going to be neat, but I'm going to wear them. Nevertheless, I'm going to wear them. Oh, snaps. Oh, snap. Y'all see that color is definitely not my color. My hair is super white. This one appeared to be white, but it looks gold. I guess I gotta flow with it and roll with it. And I'm gonna braid them all the way down. Okay, so I got my first braid in. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do another one, and I'll come back when I'm like maybe 2 braids in and finish it up like that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I may have to try a different method because it's just not working. As you guys can see, I still only have that 1 freaking braid, so I'm gonna try to do like a crochet method where I put the braiding hair through the needle. Okay. And I basically want to hold it and just bring one side through. Bring one side through. Okay. Now I have 2 sides in there. And what I want to do is attempt to braid. Here it's getting tangled. I don't like it. Okay. So now that I got that through there, let me pull it so I can untangle it from trying to braid it so many different times. It's starting to nap up. I guess that's why I never really like long weave. Okay, so now that I got that braiding hair in there. Now I'm going to take my already separated hair that I previously had. I'm going to try a different method. Let's see what happens. I'm going to try to grab that hair with this hair and braid it all together. So I grab that. Let's see how this works. Because, so far so good. We might have some action, y'all. We might have some action. Could have kept, like one rubber band just came out. Let's see. Because the key is not to just like pull hard because my hair is so short. So I'm trying to be really gentle and light with the way that I grab braiding hair, because if I do not, it's going to pull out. Oh, hey, finally got 2 braids. We on someone. That I wasn't going to be able to make this video after all, but not a quitter. Not a quitter. So yeah, I think we're going to have to use the crochet method with this. Okay, I'll be back again. So the verdict is slowly coming in, and I'm gonna try to finish it for the sake of this video, but I'm really not feeling this. I really feel, so tell me who she was ish, you know? I don't know. Child, please. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. I'm on my last one. These probably definitely will not stay up longer than a week. Obviously, because my hair is super short and I'm afraid that they may fall out. So what I'm doing again, if you guys missed it, I'm doing the crochet method, which I'm basically pulling the hair through because my hair is terribly short. Okay, and then what I do is grab my desired amount of hair. Hey, hold me down. I like this song. Hold me. Hold me. Uh-oh. You can't hold my family. Sure can't. And then I just grab the hair and interlock it with the bigger piece of braid hair. Oh. You would come out. This is my son, y'all. And I'm just careful not to pull super tight. Some things that I might do differently if I were to braid my hair again, probably won't, because I do see now that my short fade defines me now. But I mean, eventually I may grow my hair back, who knows. Eventually I may grow my hair back, I may not, but some things that I would do differently. I would definitely use nude band-aids. I would definitely, what's the hair fall? I would definitely use nude rubber bands, because like you see, like this one, I'm gonna have to like use the scissors to like kind of hide that and cut that rubber band out of there. The black rubber bands show. For the most part, I really hate the color. I hate this color long. I guess I look good with it short. So they say if things aren't broke, don't fix them. So I'm probably just gonna leave my hair alone after this. I just wanted some braids. I totally forgot how I look with hair. I'm gonna do a quick spin once I'm done with this one, and then yeah, that's all I got for y'all. You know, I tried. Don't talk about me too bad in the comments. You know, if you're not already subscribed to me, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will know the next time I upload. I usually try to upload on Mondays and Saturdays, but hey, that may change. You know, life happens, right? So, oh, let me just cut this. Try to like cut this piece of rubber band without cutting my hair. Okay, that's probably gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'll fix that. Just do it like this. Yeah. There we go. Fixed. Bam. Fixed. Fixed. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick spin. Fix my made up little halter top here. So I'm gonna do a turn around. So you guys can see. It feels kind of heavy. It actually feel kind of heavy. But for the most part, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like I said, share this video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, y'all. Bye.